guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today let's talk about yucca plants.
Yucca plants are some of the toughest perennials you can grow. With their sword-like leaves and tall dramatic flower spikes, they add bold structure to any garden. They're drought-tolerant, thrive in poor soils, and need very little care, qualities that make them a favorite in low-maintenance landscapes. But ask other gardeners and you'll hear mixed opinions. Many admire yuccas for their bold beauty and toughness, while others find them difficult because of their sharp leaves, spreading roots, and endless seedlings. Once established, yuccas are not easy to remove. Their roots run deep and wide, and even a small piece left in the ground can regrow into a new plant. On top of that, yuccas multiply in two ways: underground by roots that send up new shoots and above ground by seeds. After flowering, they form thick, woody pods, each containing 100 to 200 flat black seeds. A single plant can produce several pods, and once they dry and split open, those seeds scatter everywhere. The good news? It's easy to prevent extra spread. Just snip off the seed pods before they open, while they're still green or starting to turn brown. You can compost them or save the seeds if you would like more yuccas in a control spot. And that's what I'm gonna do now.
Ow! Oops! Few seeds escaped. But imagine if all of them escaped from the seed pods. It's gonna be a disaster. Obviously, I waited too long as some of the seed pods started to open up. And of course, some of the seeds escaped seed pods. But I got most of it.
Yucca plants look stunning, but they can take over your garden if you're not careful. They spread quickly and have very strong extensive root system that aid in their survival, but can also make them hard to remove. So, if you love their bold look, plant yuccas wisely. Give them some space or set up barriers, and they won't take over your garden. Beautiful, yes, but challenging too. Happy gardening!